Hi students, now problem number 5. How many photons of frequency 10 power 14 Hertz will make up 19.86 joule of energy? So this is a very much expected question in the board examination and very easy also. So what are the given quantities? The frequency of the radiation is what? 10 power 14 Hertz and the energy, total energy emitted is 19.86 joule. Now, the general expression for this energy emitted, this is equal to n number of photons into h nu. E is equal to nh nu, where n is the total number of photons emitted. So we have to find the value of n here. So from this equation what? Therefore n is equal to E divided by h nu. So this is equal to the energy 19.86 divided by Planck's constant h, we must remember, no, that is 6.625 into 10 power minus 34 into the frequency of radiation is 10 power 14. So into 10 power 14. So I will rewrite here. Therefore n is now equal to 19.86 divided by 6.625 into 10 power, this minus 34 and plus 14 is there, is it not? So that the power in the denominator will become minus 20. So when it is coming up, it will become plus 20. Power will become plus 20. So this is 10 power 20. Now we have to find out this ratio. So we can use the calculator. 19.86, okay, 19.86 divided by 6.625. So this is equal to 2.99. So 2.99 into 10 to the power of 20. Okay, therefore n is nearly equal to 3 into 10 to the power of 20. So how many photons are asked, is it not? So the number of photons is equal to what? N is equal to 3 into 10 power 20 photons. It's a very simple numerical problem. I hope you must have understood that fine.